Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video. So after Dali Mpofu announced his resignation from the EFF after Julius Malema tweeted and people felt like he was indirectly firing Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. You guys, Julius Malema went on to X, formerly known as Twitter, and this is what he said. Only two more of your favorites remain, and the list will be finalized. They sing beautifully and are always willing to pose for pictures and sign roll calls. But remember, their souls are long gone. To prevent any potential hurt, it's crucial to heed the guidance of the leadership. We remain standing and we are not going anywhere under a criminal syndicate, you guys. And people on Twitter came for Julius Malema, saying that he was indirectly tweeting to Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, who has been very loyal to him. And people were saying that maybe Mbuyiseni has already handed over his resignation. This is what some of the people had to say on Twitter. I really do not understand. Is Julius indirectly firing Ndlozi? He's chasing him away and the fighters are watching this. The guy doesn't want Ndlozi, and it's very clear. It's like Ndlozi is like an abused wife who's saying, I'm in this marriage for my children. He must move on. Someone says Ndlozi must resign and go join Ipupo Leka Biko as a vocalist. Upumzile Fandama said, I do not know why Ndlozi puts up with being constantly publicly degraded like this. This man doesn't need politics. He has a whole PhD. Leave Dr. Ndlozi. No politics is ever worth your dignity. Leave this one and his failing party and thrive beyond his wildest imagination. Well, there you have it, you guys. Thoughts, please to engage it in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.